Hello everyone, Ken Latham with the Design Guy signing on. Okay, Mike, Maggie, I took a little bit of leeway to the design and have come up with a couple things that are different than what we had talked about. So as I'm sure you can see here, what I did was a bump out to this area. So as I'm looking at that, it kind of spreads everything out and makes it look more proportional. Let me switch over here to the other design we had. Hold on a moment. Okay, so here I've switched back into this other plan, and what I'm looking at is these windows just look out of proportion compared to having this large window up above. So to me it just looked out of proportion. We were looking to use a different material we were talking about for the upper portion anyway. So I think with what I've done is something that looks good and it would be fairly easy to be able to work on. So this is what we were looking at originally, window wise. On this back window, actually we had two windows back here. This version I hadn't saved with it. If I switch back to here, so here we have a 2-foot bump out, so you end up with just a little bit more space in that bedroom. It's going to be easy enough to be able to do. Well, you're already going to be putting a footing in anyway, so you're talking about laying just a little tiny bit of block work, and to me that's going to look real well with way where fascia is going to be tying in, and we can put that trim board right about at that height. Swing that back around. And with the other thing that I did is the spacing between the windows there is actually the same spacing between the windows that I put up at the top. So typically what I'm trying to do is to have more weight, or in this case the 4 windows at the bottom, and then have the 3 at the top, the 3 at the top, just to give us a better look. Like I said, the other one looked top heavy compared to what I like to see. And then on the back side I did the same thing with those windows. I just spread those out to the same distance. That'll also make those window headers just a little bit smaller as well. So I'll be waiting to hear back from you. This is Ken Latham, the Design Guy, signing off. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye now.